When I'm not rooster cruising and making idiotic ramblings, I am kicking my nephew's butt in a game of pool. Come on. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, well, we got the car back. We had changed up a little bit. Took the orange stripes off. This is actually, they call this Inferno Orange. And I put tags on the car when it had the orange stripe on it. And then 3 days later, I took it, got these stripes in the mail, got ordered them off eBay. And they're Inferno Orange, which matches the interior. And now my tag sticks out like a sore thumb. So we will probably change the tags again. Probably put the horsepower or maybe clone SS. And when I say clone, you'll see why here in a minute. So in 2011, they made 50 official pace car for the Indianapolis 500. So there's new wheels and tires. That is a 20 by 11 in the rear, running a 315 35 20 on the rear, and a 20 by 10 on the front, running a 285 35 20 on the front, which is a massive tire on the front and a really massive tire on the rear. Let's just get you a good look at that tire. There's a Nitto 555 R2, and they hook up really well. So things turned out pretty good. Went from a girl's car with the orange stripes to an absolute good-looking ride. Now, yes, it is a clone. They made 50 of these for the Indianapolis 500. They gave to the drivers, and then they made 500 replicas after that. The first 50 has a seal right there. The replicas look just like that. Not, of course, not black wheels, factory wheels. And the interior door panels are, I'll just show you. We haven't done the interior yet, but on the replicas, these interior door panels right here is white, with white there, and then the Inferno orange stripe coming across coming down the hood there, and then right here it would say Indianapolis 500. So, but going down the road, you will not know this car from one of the other clones or replicas. So it's a clone of a replica, right? So I can drive this one to where everyone else that has this car, they keep them put up, because the first 50 sold for like $225,000. But anyway, so it turned out pretty good, I do believe. So that's the exterior mods. We might add a little thing down here. I don't know if we will or not, the little lip splitter or whatever we'll call it. And I don't know if we'll do a wicker bill on the back. Everybody does that. I think we might just leave it like it is. I think we'll go to modding the powertrain next. Going to build that out next. We'll show you guys that. I'm actually going to have it done, so I won't be able to show you. I'm just going to drop the car off and get the build done, pick the car up, and then go have it tuned. So after we get it back, I will show you what we had done. These are MRR Z28 replica wheels. They were pretty cheap on eBay, about $1,000 for all four. Cannot beat that. And it gave me the width I needed, because the 315, which is the tire I wanted, which is the tire I need to handle the power it's going to get, wouldn't fit on the stock wheels. I did have them on the stock wheels, but they bubbled out too much, and it didn't. And so you lost part of this sidewall right here. So ordered the 2011 wheels. I got them here pretty quick from eBay, and the tire fits on there perfect, and gets a good contact patch on the ground, because it will need that 315 after this mods that we have coming. But yeah, she turned out pretty good, and I'm happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the car. Wasn't much of a build process, because I had the decals done. I just dropped it off for a couple of days, and the guy took the orange ones off, put these on, and then they actually made this, because you can't source that. So we actually had that. He made that for me and put that on. Turned out really nice. So I just dropped the car off to them. They did it. I did help put the wheels and tires, blah blah blah, on it, but as far as the stripes and decals, I just dropped it off. That's why you guys haven't seen much of the build. You see what it looked like before, what it looks like now. So yeah, turned out good. Wait till you see what the powertrain is going to do. She's gonna be a beast. All right, see you.
When I'm not cruising in my big rig, I'm watching idiotic ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.